12% of workers find meetings overcrowded, 17% say they run too long, and 10% believe they're mostly unnecessary. Somewhere between taking notes, remembering action items, and actually getting things done, meetings start feeling like another full-time job. One possible reason for this chaos: most meeting tools help you meet, but they don't really help you move the work forward. So, we decided to dig deeper, to find the tools that make meetings simpler, where planning, talking, and following up actually flow together. Based on our research, here are the top 5 virtual meeting platforms that help you work better after the meeting's over. Let's start with ClickUp. It's the world's first converged AI workspace, where every meeting gets to be 10x more productive with contextual AI inputs. You start by letting ClickUp Brain, your AI assistant, draft a meeting agenda for you based on its knowledge of your ongoing work. It's created inside ClickUp Docs, complete with talking points, owners, and time blocks. And when there's no time to start from scratch, the agenda template does the heavy lifting. It's already got space for meeting type, participants, goals, and links, completely customizable for any team or client. Scheduling is easier too. The new AI-powered ClickUp Calendar understands natural language instructions and is connected to ClickUp Brain. Within ClickUp Brain, type, schedule a meeting, add your colleague's name, the meeting time, and title, and it's added to your schedule. And when calendars clash, ClickUp Brain, your AI assistant, scans everyone's schedules to find the perfect meeting time automatically. You can jump into meetings directly from ClickUp too, killing the hassle of app switching. Once the meeting begins, ClickUp AI Notetaker takes care of the rest. It records, transcribes, and summarizes your conversation, highlighting decisions, deadlines, and next steps. And when meetings aren't really necessary, ClickUp Clips let teams share quick screen recordings with voiceovers, so small clarifications don't turn into extra calls. From preparation to follow-up, ClickUp turns meetings into momentum, one place for every idea, task, and action. When teams rely on video collaboration, there are a few other players worth mentioning, starting with Google Meet. During the call, collaboration feels effortless. You can raise your hand to speak or run polls for gathering instant feedback on team issues. Hosts can share their screen to present slides or break discussions into smaller, focused breakout rooms for better engagement. But you don't have an automatic way of capturing these discussions for later within Google Meet. That's where ClickUp steps in. Invite ClickUp's AI Notetaker to your Google Meet, and it captures every topic, decision, and takeaway for reference, so nothing slips through the cracks. So the ideas that take shape in Google Meet can finally translate into action items in ClickUp. Let's move on to the next one now. Microsoft Teams. It's built for organizations that live inside the Microsoft ecosystem, keeping collaboration structured with chat, video, and shared files all in one place. During meetings, teamwork feels natural. The built-in whiteboard turns every discussion into a live brainstorming space where ideas come to life. And when it's time to dig into numbers, Excel Live lets everyone edit spreadsheets together. No downloads, no lost versions, just one shared view. Reactions like thumbs up or applause keep the energy high, helping presenters read the room even in a virtual setup. But with all these layers of chat, channels, and tools, teams can start to feel a little heavy, especially when you just want to focus on the work itself. Next up on our list is Zoom, the name everyone knows when it comes to virtual meetings. It's been a go-to for teams that want reliability and clarity from every call, no matter where they're working from. The multi-speaker view keeps discussions engaging, while AI-powered backgrounds and color options make meetings more expressive. The AI companion helps you find key details from your meeting notes instantly, and the centralized view makes it easy to access recordings, chat, and scheduling tools all in one place. Zoom also integrates effortlessly with Microsoft, Google, Salesforce, HubSpot, and yes, ClickUp, bringing your meetings closer to the rest of your workflow. The only downside? Those high-quality calls can eat up bandwidth, especially when everyone's on video. That's why many teams use Zoom together with ClickUp, running meetings on Zoom while capturing notes, summaries, and follow-ups automatically inside ClickUp. And finally, we have Zoho Meetings, a secure platform built for teams managing multiple departments and large-scale collaborations. You can add members to their departments, assign roles, and schedule meetings exclusive to each group. Collaboration is built right in. Teams can use whiteboards, share files, and even live stream meetings on YouTube, responding to comments in real time. Every meeting can be recorded, replayed, or downloaded, so no one misses important discussions, even those who couldn't join live. With the ability to host up to 250 participants, it's well suited for department department-level sessions or company-wide check-ins. Of course, it's not without its limitations. Occasional screen share glitches crop up and recording access is limited to paid plans. Still, for structured department-based meetings, Zoho Meeting offers the right mix of control, simplicity, and security. That wraps up our list of the best virtual meeting tools. But meetings are just one part of any workflow. The real challenge is turning conversations into action. That's where ClickUp comes in. It brings both together in one place, helping teams stay organized and get things done faster. Don't just take our word for it. Try ClickUp for free today.